Well, hello, model railroaders. Welcome back to the L.A.R.R. once again. Today we got something special. Sitting on my table in front of me is my very first legacy equipped Lionel engine. And not just any Lionel engine. In the 2023 Volume 1 catalog, Lionel listed a number of liveries for an NW-2 diesel switcher. This one isn't any of those. Eric Siegel, in conjunction with Legacy Station, commissioned a special livery for his model railroad, the Appalachian and Western. And that's what I have here. The units arrived at Legacy Station a week or so ago, and Eric went up there and opened all the boxes and signed them and numbered them. So we are going to open this puppy up together and we'll see which number I got. Stand by. So here we go. You can see the shipping label on it. And let's get this thing opened up. Okay, one Legacy Station packing slip. Now let's get to the good stuff. All right, we are number 86 out of 150. See here, Appalachian and Western, and all the various detail, model number, etc. from Lionel. Okay, here we got the ever-present instruction manual. Some add-on parts and traction tires. Oh, got a smoke pipette. Wow, look at this. Got a little ringing bell. Got a strobe light. If you look inside there, we got 2 crew figures. Head-on view here. Lots of separately applied grab irons. Oh, let's get that out of there. I've got one there too. We got magnetic hatch with all of our control switches. We've got run program, Bluetooth on and off, and for the smoke unit. Pretty nice, nicely detailed trucks. Fuel tank. Got the little red filler cap on it. Back of the cab's just as pretty as the front. Windshield wipers, backup light. And then on the side we got from the mountains to the metro. The Appalachian and Western NW-2. Now once I get, oh look at this, you even got the little cut bar here. Got electrocouplers. And we've got the sensor for one of the legacy items that I don't have on my track. But there it is. Now I have also ordered a matching caboose that goes with this, but that is still on the water. Hope to see that later this month of the 1st in December. And once I get that, then I will do a run video with the both of them. And in the meantime, I'm going to have to go out and get this programmed into my TMCC unit. With that, I will not be able to access all of the legacy features. Like I'm pretty sure this has got 5 different horns, 5 different bells. I can't access that through the TMCC. However, I may be able to do it through the Bluetooth. So I'm going to get a chance to play with this a little bit, and then when we do our next video, it'll have the caboose coupled up behind it. In the meantime, thanks for taking a look. And if you haven't already, you ought to take and run over to www.ericstrains.com and take a look at the Appalachian and Western Model Railway. It's worth your time. Thanks for watching. And if you like this, give me a thumbs up, and also give it a like. Subscribe, please. It all helps. Thank you.